Good morning students. Today we will do some important questions related to the concept which I have already told you yesterday. Okay. So I am coming to the question number 12 and this is very good question, important question. This one is here and it is to prove that tan 10, tan 50, tan 70 equal tan 30. See here. Either you may convert tan 70 into the smallest angle, tan 50 into the smallest angle, or directly you can convert this one in the term of sin upon cos. You know tan theta equals sin upon cos theta. So I am going to convert this one into a small angle 70 because 70 may be written as 90 minus 20 and 50 may be written as 90 minus 40. So see here what I am going to do. This is tan 10, I am taking LHS tan 10, tan 50 may be written as 90 minus 40, tan 70 may be written as 90 minus 20. Clear? Now this is equal to tan 10, tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta, tan 90 minus theta equal cot theta. Here I have converted into small angle. Now write this one into sine in the term of sine and cos, because you know cos theta equals cot theta equal cos theta upon sine theta and tan theta equals sine theta upon cos theta. So this can be written as sine 10 upon cos 10 and this is cos 40 upon sin 40 and this is equal to cos 20 upon sin 20. Cos 20 upon sin 20. Now here just arrange this one into in a sequence. So I am going to arrange this. I am writing the sin 10 cos 20 together and cos 40 here and in the denominator cos 10 sin 20 and sin 40. Here I have written in a sequence 10 20 40 10 20 40. Clear? Come to the next step. Take any these two in the form to make in the form 2 sin A cos B or cos A sin B. Okay? What will you do here? Okay. Take these two sin 10 cos 20 together and cos 40 out of this one bracket and in denominator this is equal to cos 10 sin 20 and sin 40 here. Now how can you make this one in the form of 2 sin A sin B 2 cos A cos B 2 cos A sin B? Just do the multiply by 2 and then divide by 2 से divide and 2 से multiply 1 by 2 into 2 sin 10 cos 20 again 1 by 2 into 2 cos 10 sin 20 and this is equal to cos 40 and sin 40 as it is. I am going to this one. See here 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancel out. Now you can see here this is of the form 2 sin A cos B 2 cos A sin B. So then first of all you should know the identity 2 sin A cos B 2 sin A cos B 2 sin A cos B and this is the identity sin A plus B sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. You know, 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is the identity, and this is of the form 2 cos A sin B. Then 2 cos A sin B is the identity sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Everyone know, and everyone should learn these two identity. How what is the identity of this form 2 sin A cos B and 2 cos A sin B? आपको पहले भी बताया जा चुका है कि और आप इसको याद भी रखोगे कि दिस इज द आइडेंटिटी, एंड एवरी टाइम दिस विल बी हेल्पफुल टू सॉल्व in the question in this exercise. Okay, so just come to apply this identity here. 2 and 1 by 2 1 by 2 cancel out. Now this is of the form 2 sin A cos B, this identity. So apply sin A plus B means 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20 plus sin A minus B, 10 minus 20 divided by 2 cos A sin B. This is of the form sin A plus B, 10 plus 20 minus sin A minus B, 10 minus 20 here, and these are the in a single bracket, and these are as it is cos 40 upon sin 40. These are same. देखो sin 10 plus 20, sin 10 minus 20, sin 10 plus 20 minus sin 10 minus 20, and cos 40 sin 40 will be as it is by using these two identity for this one 2 sin A cos B and 2 cos A sin B. By using these two identity I have written here. Now you can see and have a look and make a note. Now come to simplify this one. Say here sin 10 plus 20, this is equal to sin 30, this is equal to sin 30, and this is sin 10 minus 20. You know sin 10 minus 20 is minus 10, so this is equal to plus sin minus 10 divided by sin 10 plus 20, sin 10 plus 20, sin 30 minus sin 10 minus 20 minus 10, or in the cos 40 sin 40 is as it is. But one thing is here, you should know कि sin of minus theta equal minus sin theta, and cos of minus theta equal plus cos theta. So this is equal to sin 30 and sin of minus theta minus sin theta, so minus sin 10, and sin theta means sin 30, sin of minus 10 equal minus sin 10, so this is plus sin 10 plus sin 10, and in this it is multiply cos 40, and in this denominator will be multiplied by sin 40. Now come to multiply here. If you will multiply here, see sin 30 cos 40, because cos 40 multiply by sin 30, then sin 30 into cos 40 minus sin 10 into cos 40, sin 10 into cos 40 divided by here sin 30 multiply sin 40 plus sin 10 multiply sin 40. Now here you know only the value of sin 30 because sin 30 is 1 by 2. So put the value here. You will get 1 by 2 cos 40 minus 1 by 2 cos 40, and this can be again rearranged in the form of 2 sin A cos B. So if you will again rearrange, then will be of the form 2 sin 10 cos 40 like this one. ऐसे होगा, just divide by 2 and multiply by 2. And in the denominator sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 sin 40 plus rearrange this one 1 by 2 2 sin 10 sin 40. This is of the form 2 sin A cos B, and this is of the form 2 sin A sin B. So come to step 1 by 2 cos 40 minus 1 by 2, and this is 2 sin A cos B, and you know 2 sin A cos B means sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B 10 plus 40 50, and plus 10 minus 40 minus 30, 10 minus 40 minus 30, so sin of minus 30 equal minus sin 30, so this is equal to minus sin 30. I hope everyone is clear here. This is minus sin 30. And in the denominator 1 by 2 sin 40 plus 1 by 2, and this is of the form 2 sin A sin B. You know 2 sin A sin B cos 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is the identity. So cos A minus B means 10 minus 40 30 minus cos A plus B 10 plus 40 50. Here I have written directly, so you can consider this one. What is 2 sin A sin B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Now come to simplify 1 by 2 cos 40 minus multiply this one 1 by 2 into sin 50. This is minus 1 by 2 sin 50 minus this minus, and this minus will be plus here 1 by 2 sin 30. I hope everyone is clear about this one. And in the denominator 1 by 2 sin 40 plus multiply 1 by 2 sin 30, sorry cos 30, this is cos 30, 1 by 2 cos 30 minus 1 by 2 cos 50. Here see, देखो यहाँ sin 50 may be written as 90 minus 40. So come to write this one 1 by 2 cos 40 minus 1 by 2 sin 90 minus 40, and this is as it is 1 by 2 sin 30 divided by 1 by 2 sin 40 plus 1 by 2 cos 30 minus 1 by 2, and this can be written as 90 minus 40. Everyone know if 50 can be written as 90 minus 40. So come to the next step. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 cos 40 minus 90 minus theta equal sin 90 minus theta equal cos theta. So this is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 40 and plus 1 by 2 sin 30. Sin 30 total divided by 1 by 2 sin 40. 1 by 2 sin 40 plus 1 by 2 cos 30 minus cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2 sin 40. Now you can see here if these two terms are equal and opposite, it cancel out, and 1 by 2 sin 40 and minus 1 by 2 sin 40 again cancel out. So the remaining terms are 1 by 2 sin 30 divided by 1 by 2 cos 30. This is the remaining term. Now you can see here that 1 by 2 is again cancel out. So the remaining terms are sin 30 divided by cos 30, and you know sin theta upon cos theta equal tan theta. So this is equal to tan 30, and this was RHS. Hence I hope everyone is clear about these questions. Okay students, I hope in the next session we will do some another important question related to these type of identities. Thank you students.